In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on your Instagram account. To do that, it's quite easy. Just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. First, head over to your profile on the bottom right corner here and then tap on it. And this will expose your profile. And then we have the menu icon here. Go ahead and click on menu. And then under it, you can see we have Account Center. Under Account Center, we have details such as password security and personal details. Go ahead and tap on it. And then head over to Account Settings. Now select Password and Security. Now to change your password, choose the first option, Change Password, which is this. If we click on it, you'll have to choose the account that you want to change the password. In case you have more than one account on this device, they will all be displayed here. For my case, I only have one, so I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now I'll have to enter my current password and then enter the new password that I want to use and then retype the new password before I confirm by clicking on change. And by just following these steps, you will change your password successfully. So that's how you change your password on your Instagram account using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.